Happy birthday to me.
In this mansion, I'm a Macaulay Culkin. Paid in full, I'm a car fight. Know you're tired, we just did dinner for 3 hours. Lying to me all night. Buying being Spencer's out of spite. Paid 100 rent or something light. Simple price to keep them out my life. Booby trap, we need a business office. Magic City need a business office. 29, I keep a business office. I'm in love with Houston, Dallas, Austin. Tell you guys to hold up on the team chain. Seem like they may need money for coffins.
Y'all, why did I just get to the airport and realize I left my birthday cake? So I called someone, hoping and praying they're able to bring it to me. Because what? Anyways, checked in. I didn't go through TSA yet.
Ex-girlfriend, Callie, you coming with me? Okay, I'm leaving now. Bye.
You don't need to go out of town with the war going. Y'all need to listen to the news. You think life a joke? You gonna take your little bow out of ass on
The next station is Tokyo.
Hey y'all, so your girl is in motherfucking Japan on a solo trip for her birthday. And I'm like super excited. At first, I wanted to cry. Well, to be fair, I already did cry. But I'm not gonna do as much crying as I did in Dubai. I gotta put my big girl panties on. I'm not gonna say I won't be crying, but I just won't be crying right now. But yeah, y'all, we're in Japan and I don't have an itinerary. I'm just going with the flow. So I'm going to freshen up. I don't know, or maybe I'll just go out like this. Also, y'all, my cake that I went through trials and tribulations for is finito. Like, look at this bullshit. Yeah. I'm not gonna stress about it. I ain't gonna cry about it. I ain't gonna complain about it. I totally shot. Me not see it.
215 in the back of the old school like you know they dumb enough. Shawty on the 15 floor with a play with a pussy, yeah, finna come up. Knocked it down on the bed and caught that head, she one hit one. A big old bad today, she be young, yeah, boy, better go keep up. Got my Glocky clip to the hip, just like a goddamn beeper. Shawty all on my face and shit, I don't know where I meet you. Tryna pay tough guy ain't shit, you know I come to see you. They gon' tryna take it all, tryna put some fear in it. By 9mm, that's my damn security. Stone president, you more like Hillary. I paid the picture, baby, like she love my imagery.
Yo, I don't know what this makeup look like right now because the lighting is trash. I want to cut some layers in this. Where's the damn scissor? Where's my scissors? Anyways, I forgot to bring my extra battery pack. Y'all, my life is in shambles right now, but the devil is not gonna stop this flow. I'm sorry. You're not gonna win. Not gonna win. So not too much on the makeup because the lighting is crazy in here. But this is the outfit, just a basic white top. These windbreaker skirts. Not ideal for the weather because it's freezing outside. And I just tied up the shirt in the back. These are the accessory, very simple, very cute. And my purse. And I'm just gonna throw on my long church coat that I had on earlier and some sneakers, and that's it. We're heading to Shibuya. We don't know exactly what we're gonna do yet, but that's where we're headed.
Hey. Yeah, hopping in, bitch, and I start the V. Snakes in the grass, so they harder to see. My brother would give up his life to the O. He told me he'd go be a martyr for me. Said that she ready to corner the 6. I hit up Pauline and charter the P. Ain't really leave, but I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm riding around in Atlanta with Sav, cause that nigga been going harder than me. Nothing to change, I'm just harder to please. Ferrari is making an SUV. We ain't got a choice, we ordering these. Shout out Noel for recording the V's. I got my trust in the
But it's probably at least
Lord Jesus, have mercy upon the man.
because I haven't eaten since. Hey.
shit she wearing, she thinks she QC. Telling all my sneaky links you with me. You must be Coach K, cause you ain't P. I'm on the jet like my last name Lee. Two sticks in my hand like I'm playing a Wii. G-block babies and spank you for free. We rough niggas up, now they begging for peace.
Mana, that's your fault.
Born in October, I'm so OBO. Halloween coming, he wanna dress up, but he don't need no costume. I'm turning them ghosts. She called me new cause I stay at her throat. Still hit that boy, got his ass in notes.
It's fucking crazy out. It is big.
They say you alone at the top, but it's gotta be lonely below. You boys getting ready to diss, but don't even mention a hoe, unless you boys try to go broke. Oh damn, man, you niggas is the worst. Savage, snatch you out your crib, then drop you in a hearse. Baby, please, let me nervous. Stop reaching in your purse. Nigga went and bought a house when he could've bought a first. Nigga dumb as fuck. Imagine if I did that stupid shit when I was coming up.
So I'm back at my hotel and they have a grocery store. I was trying to go to a 7-Eleven, but it's like 17 minutes away. So I'll do that another time. Oh, this my shit. Where's the remote? Bitches empty, strip club Canadian. Great room. Okay, she had enough. Okay, she had enough. To ride the boo. I'll pause this real quick, but let me show you guys what I got from the store. I got me some strawberries, and these look sweet as hell. These little buns. And I got me some rosé, and I think I'm going to the club tonight. Actually, I am going to the club tonight. I am. Is it me or it looks dark? Hold on. Cheers. Ah! Please. That's good. These remind me of Jamaican cheese bread. Like, it smells just the same. I'm not too fond of the cream. It doesn't taste bad, but it's just a bit much for me. And also, the sushi earlier was not it. That was like I give it like a -2 out of 10. But the miso soup was very good. Tastes different than the ones back home, but it's good. And sweet. Like a Kenyan, like the ATM, rock stadium, bitches ATM, strip club Canadian. She Albanian, Jamaican. She wanted it to try. Okay, she had enough. I had to come back on because I don't know if I'm a lightweight, but this is slapping. And I feel like I'm about to cry. Shakera, we are not doing this. We're not crying. We are not crying. Y'all, I'm for my sister, but look what I bought. And I want you to tell me why I bought it. Hold on. Hold on, girlfriend. Pause this. Because I ain't trying to get copyrighted. But tell me why I bought this. Why I bought it? You don't know why I bought it? Look at it.
Pink.
Yeah, because it's fucking pink. My sister tired of me. Oh, yeah, make me face in the water. Don't be a hater. So this is the outfit. Can y'all see? Okay, so yeah, this is the outfit. I forgot where I got these pants from. I think it's Shein or Misguided or something like that. The top is from Fashion Nova. My heels are from I think Nine West. My one little Balenci bag, and these are the accessories. And I had to do no Andy because it kept coming all the way up here. So yeah, and I did cut some more layers in here so it could like fall better on my face. But bye.
If you want, I wanna fuck tonight. Baby, know what I like. Screw that pussy
Yo, she is not okay. I made it to my hotel. Let me tell y'all something. Hold on. I broke a nail. Mind you, it hasn't been 24 hours since I landed in this damn country. Save me. Hopefully in a couple hours I could find someone who could fix it. These heels are tearing my feet off. My feet hurts. I'm sitting home. I am pissing myself. Good morning. Oh, shit. Shut up. But good morning. So I woke up and decided that I'm gonna look for punch. Yes, we're gonna look for punch. We're gonna start our day. I missed breakfast. I got home like around, I think 6. I was supposed to go to breakfast at 7. Set my alarm. I don't even remember turning it off. I woke up. It's 10 o'clock. So breakfast is no longer available, but we're gonna look for punch. Clubbing by yourself is actually not bad at all. The DJ came, he interacted, we took a shot. First of all, the Japanese, they know how to freaking party. Baby, they were drunk outside. I don't remember if I, recorded everybody, but I ordered one drink. I don't even remember how I got upstairs. Hey, you all. We are about to head out, and this is the outfit. Honestly, I didn't want to wear this, but I realized I'm not gonna have enough time for what I'm gonna do later. So we're just killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Yeah, and I think we're going out to the club tonight again because last night was a vibe. And one thing though, them drinks is strong as hell. I ordered a Long Island iced tea, and baby had me on my ass. So I just called a taxi, but I'm in a restaurant downstairs. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. One thing though, I do not see anybody like with me. You know what? I'm gonna have time for that. What else? They asked for it. Okay, my taxi is here.
I've been all over the world. That's the finest crime. I've seen the finest times. But all the pretty girls come from VA.
Thank you. It's cherry blossoms. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And as a girl who loves pink, this is a dream.
To find out. She like one of mine and she mind out. You just turn around and she gone down. Sitting there, sit away. For long, for long.
So I'm finally leaving this establishment, and somebody just pissed me off because she's like, no tripod because I set up my tripod to take my pictures. She's like, that's not allowed, ma'am.
Leave me alone here, girl. Leave me alone. Come in a trouble you. In a bomber clot trouble you. You hear me? I tell you. Love me a blood clot alone. Me a trouble you a bomber blood clot.
I'm not close to animals. I'm not hurting anybody. It's just my camera set up on a tripod taking my pictures. Please. It's all fine when you get to it. I've got the tuna, ham and cheese, and egg sandwich. I'm getting me a latte because I feel like going to bed. I've never had an egg sandwich. That's 7.5. Next is the ham and cheese. This looks really good. Okay. Interesting. So that is just a ham.
Only live once. Let's do it.
Let's race.
Hey y'all, heading out again. I'm just wearing this simple black dress. I think I got it from Misguided, and I just spiced it up with these leopard print heels. And I just realized the bag that I wanted to bring with this is back home, so I'm going her. I know she tired of me. I know y'all tired of her, but that's the whole point of buying it, to wear it. You add vodka to it. Still got plans tonight. A couple hundred miles from the bed tonight.
Girl, be a line. Out there festive. Hola, my name of video. Goodbye. Come on, phone Charlie.
can't do too much talking for nobody. We can't do too much over talking.
Yeah, I told you, yeah, about that money shit is strange. Feel low jet. Hanging in the driveway, you know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's still go wild ways. Poor friends, I know I hit at least one. Got a mom, 10, mom. I ain't in my sock. Use this every rock. When in front of car, shooting at the
Morning. It's breakfast. Let's start good time, baby. I had a ball. I only had 1 hour sleep. I'm currently heading to breakfast. Because a girl gotta eat. That restaurant that I went to yesterday, baby, that was not food. That was bites, but it was good. Freaking good. The people that was in there, Chanel's, Birkin bags, Kelly's. I said, okay. Y'all peep this. A black truck could never. So it's a pretty chill day today. Today's my birthday. I forgot to mention that. I'm headed to go get a massage, especially my feet, because I was standing for almost 3 hours in the club. Baby, my feet right now is numb. And then I'm gonna wear heels again tonight. But I don't know if I'm going to the club. Or maybe I should just do it. Just live. Yeah, I'm going.
Girl, you look better with no makeup on. Ooh, girl, you look better when there's nothing on your body. I've been fantasizing. My hands so far under that skirt, this shit some dangerous driving. I drink so much I can't see. Shawty must have put something in my. 'Cause I've been saying things I don't usually. At least not since the last one. Seems I fall in love more.
Yo, that massage, it was good. This lady was stretching me. You would have thought I was a contortionist. I wish I got more feet massage because my feet is on fire, but I should have told her ahead of time. But it was good. So after my massage, I came home and knocked out, but I kind of overslept. So I'm literally here scrambling, and I don't know why they have iron on a different floor. Like, what?
Remind them that they are so blessed. And this is the only Saturday, March 14th, 2026 that they're ever gonna live. So let them make the most of it. Drop God winks in their life the entire day. Do specific things that are tailored to this person that just make them look up and say, thank you, God. And I pray this person does not have a good Saturday. I pray they have a
God Saturday. Happy
Jesus'
birthday
name,
to me.
Hey.
I love him so much. Every time I see his videos, I don't pass them. And if, say I'm out, like last night I was at the club, I keep seeing his videos. I'm just like, I have to come back. I have to come back and watch these videos, but I never miss a beat. Okay, so you already know what time it is. It's the birthday girl. This is the dress. Love it, love it, love it. Originally, I was gonna bring this back, but this is more of like a yellow gold, and this is like at Champagne Gold. That's me. And I have reservations at 8:30. It's almost 8 o'clock and we have to go. So even though my cake is fucked, we're gonna lay her. Wait, it's not working, so no cake. But I'm gonna sing happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me.
The city is pretty when it's dead, just like a flower. What colors the CN Towers? Red tonight, just like the text I sent you from the bed tonight. Read it cause I finally think I said things right. Thought you called me slipping, had me dead to rights. Nothing ever happened, girl, they fed your lies. Like a tiny house out back, I'm trying to shed some light. Them things that you've been hearing about me. City is pretty when it's dead, just like a flower. What colors the CN Towers? Blue now, like how I'm feeling about you now. I was too down, tell me what to do now. The city is pretty when it's dead, just like a flower. What colors the CN Towers? Lit up green, like the envy in people's eyes, getting in between. Trying to sleep it off, but I just see you in my dreams. Hey, met with a plan tonight. Cancel Japan tonight. Tokyo down for the boy. The plane is on land tonight. Girl, I'm a fan in real life. You don't even post on that site. Price is different when it's right. Touch me and turn off the lights. The love that I have for you. I came to the out in Canada. $100,000. Could have left that shit.
I don't like chocolate, but this is good.
For sure was a vibe, but I had to keep telling all the guys I'm
Everything good.
now's not the time. No phone.
I don't know what I'm eating, but I'm eating.
I'm trying to see the love, girl. I see ya. I see ya.
So we're back home from the restaurant. Amazing. We're going to the club, but my phone was dying, so I wanted to come get some charge. But happy birthday to me. Ah, Jesus. Look up the people them things.
You stay, are you staying in Tokyo?
Yeah.
I've been blowing through the money like it growing trees. I've been fucking on a French bitch, say la vie. I just put them on a jet, now they all Italian. Way I'm dressed until I've been to $1,000. This bitch lie about getting shots, but she's still a stallion. She don't even get the joke, but she's still smiling. Every night, late night, like I'm Jimmy Fallon. Pros shoot from anywhere, like you Ray Allen. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Got a fur on the Tampa, got me burning up. Shorty said she graduated, she ain't learned enough. Play the album track 1, okay, I heard enough. Girl, the driver downstairs, better hurry up. Savage got a new stick, you wanna dirty up. Touchdown to NY, tell the Mercer up. Hey, go take a shades with a great sense. Introduce me to a nigga, yeah, it makes sense. Gotta put her on the team, got a great bench. Linking with the ops, bitch, I did that shit for Jay Prince. Bitch, I did it for the Maltese. Feel like 17, 2 purse, fall guys. And I never been the one to go apologize. Me, I'd rather hit them up one more time. Hey, known a girl for 6 months, dinner up at my place. But I got these diamonds on my neck, so it's a blind date. All my niggas on the roads, raising up the crime rate. Your name not ringing out here, it's on vibrate. And she took a skull, now shorty gotta hydrate. And he did some dirt, now my Cody gotta migrate. Probably won't see him for some years. When I do, though, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Hey, Cody, turn me. Hey, yeah, what? Cody, turn me. Yeah.
21 in the drop top bins like it's 03.
Oh shit. No more party for me. My feet. I've been wearing heels for 3 freaking days straight, standing in a club for 2+ hours. Whew. It's like my feet is bleeding. Oh, fuck. These shoes. Good night. I'm signing out. Yeah, no more liquor, no more club because I'm acting a damn fool.
Welcome to the Shinkansen. This is the Nozomi Super Express.
That is great. I'm struggling to eat with chopsticks. I'm here trying to vintage shop. I'm ring shopping as if someone is gonna marry me. But never say never, but yeah. So I was telling him that I've had this chain since baby. So now I want to get the adult version. I like it. Yo, so I think this is what I'm getting. On my makeup, y'all. It looks crazy. We're not dealing with makeup right now. But the bag, I love the bag. I saw it in Tokyo, but it was $500 more. So I'm just gonna bite the bullet and take it because I love it. Happy birthday to me. Oh, I didn't show you guys my outfit. So, about to get me a foot massage. Hey beautiful people, so I'm alive. I made it out the hood. Nah, I'm joking. I went to Osaka yesterday. I didn't really vlog much because 1, it was freezing, and 2, I already was having a bad day because I was lost. Like that train system shit is crazy. Bought myself a birthday gift. I didn't go out last night. I got home like around 11:30. I showered, ate my little 7-Eleven sandwich, and went to bed. I got a full 7-8 hours sleep. I'm well rested. And yeah, I'm currently at breakfast. And I'm in a good mood. I'm feeling good. So I haven't decided what I want to do today, but we're gonna figure that out. Yeah, I just happen to be in Japan. Y'all, I'm telling you. Travel the world, experience the world. Stop waiting on friends, stop waiting on family. Baby, stop waiting. Go. I'm here all by myself. Table for 1. Don't feel weird, don't feel awkward. You know, I feel very much safe. It's very safe in Japan. And I'm having a good time. I went to the club by myself. Had a good time. I spent 3 hours in the club by myself, having a good time. Yeah, y'all need to stop making excuses. Highly recommend. This had me on the edge the other night. So we doing that. It's never too early for some alcohol.
Japan. Yeah.
I just left the temple and I'm about to go to KFC. I had gotten a cab, but I got out because I realized it's 22 minutes to walk. And when I'm home, I'm not gonna lie, I'm very much lazy. I don't walk. The only walk I do is on a treadmill and a Stairmaster. But since we're in a walk-in city, we're gonna walk our ass to KFC.
Same nigga breaking down hoes left and right. I was counting up for him on a private flight. All this chrome on my body like a medieval knight. I was fucking up a sack on that purple Sprite. All my bitches beneficial, even told a pistol. Even blow it like a whistle, lie to official.
I have drinks with that a lot, so yeah, you don't do it for the vlog.
So many properties, I bought them king of the hill. Fuck nigga need to learn his place, but we put him in it. Stepping and swinging, I'm running shit. I might run for Senate. I got a bitch up in the kitchen wearing them coochie cutters. Bring my doggy out that cell, straight up out the gutter. We been them niggas every since position needed feeling. And I fear I didn't see her, it was just me and Dylan. It was just me and Justin. Bring her hair while she told me might give her concussion. I don't like discussions, I'm too rich for fussing. Dead in my eyes and how that pussy bustin'. I ain't never cuffin'. My corner baby doggy psyched out still. Baby daddy broke, no need for him to ride a wheel. I put paint on my nails, bitches fucking still.
After honestly said, we're doing it worth it. Definitely.
I don't need a rock friend, I'm a step solo. I try anything once the lifestyle yellow. I don't wanna be posted on the blogs, I don't wanna answer calls. I did this shit for my dogs, I just beat up the mall, I just beat up my wrist.
I think this is Stitch? I'm not sure, but he's pink, so yeah.
You vlogging?
Huh?
I said you vlogging?
Yeah.
Mario go-kart into like that.
Yo, so I'm heading out again.
Yo. Oh, baby. Don't go. Don't go. Look.
Leave it up to me. I'm going to the spot.
Watch your feelings, I just couldn't shake. Disrespect that I just shouldn't take. You just couldn't see this couldn't trade. 4 months, not a long time, but you fought somebody you just couldn't wait. You broke my heart, you broke my heart. Matter of fact, everybody in this bitch scream out.
Dress number 2. I don't like this one.
For my head, for my head, for my head, for my head, for my head. Middle fingers up for my head. I can turn this bitch for my age. For my head, I should drop a name for my head. Drop a
a couple names. Oh my ass, bitch, you want some fame? Oh my ass, pussy niggas that you turning on with in a whip, now they know my ass. Oh my ass, 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 oh my ass.
So it's a new day. We're headed out to get some fluffy pancakes, and this is what I'm wearing. This is not typical my style, but it's cute. I like it. So let's go. Y'all, so I tried to get the fluffy pancakes. Baby, that line was 1 freaking hour. There were like at least 20 people or 30 ahead of me. I was so irritated. I took my contact out. I was out of it. Like, I was annoying. So I stopped at this little cafe and got me a sandwich. It looks really good. I think it's ham inside. It's good. I'm just at the Mega Don Quixote. I think that's how it's pronounced. It's a freaking place. There's a lot of stuff in here. I'm just getting like souvenirs and stuff for my boo and sister. At the hotel, we have lunch. Is this caviar? Or I'm tripping? Don't judge me, y'all. I honestly don't know. But I don't know what that is. This look like octopus and spinach. Oh, that's good. What the fuck is that though? Hopefully this doesn't send me to the bathroom, because I'm also having yogurt over here. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I haven't had one bad eat since I came. Besides that sushi that I had, I think it was the first day, but everything else has been busting. I'll just be eating, girl. I know when I get back I'm gonna have to put overtime in the gym because I've been eating my life away.
I got 2 girls in the car. I don't know who to choose. I fell in love with you. Got a million going. Back at the house, we going. The freaking two in it going. Yeah. Really move out here, I spin it slowly. Yeah. She in the cut. Got a bitch in the cutty. She want the fire. I don't want no more. Got a bitch in the car. The bitch got a night life.